Hi guys, it's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets. I want to show you our 4-hour indicator. So once you learn the basics from our swing trading account, you will then be able to learn this indicator nicely. So what I want to show you is how we use this indicator to actually predict the 4-hour chart and how we can make some quick percentages in the middle in between the swing trading and everything else we do. So all you got to do is if you're with the trend, if you're trading with the trend, a breakout or retest of the actual top line here, if you're going down, is perfect. Take to the bottom of the range. If you're going against the trend, just try and take it to the middle somewhere, okay, as long as the risk to reward is more than 1%. So let's go through and see what happens. So we're looking at Kiwi Swiss. It's not a pair I normally trade, so this is going to be live as well. So all we're looking for now, as you can see here, the line is just kind of plateauing out. It's going to be a bit of a range at the moment. So we'll see what happens at the moment, and we shall see what we can get here. So we are in an uptrend now. There's both the ranges are aiming upwards. So there's a break and retest. The break and retest there. Look for another bearish candle maybe. Let's have a look. That candle there, you don't on this candle here, you would, purely because it's closed below everything else and you want to take it to the middle of the range here. So really what you're looking for is to get out around this area here pretty much. As you notice, the level already shows your key level. So we would want to get out at that level there. Show me that. And we'll put our stop above there. And let's see what happens. There you go, we've made our percentage already. So like I said, we're in this candle here. That is a 47 pip move for roughly 85 pips, 2% in a couple of days. Nice, hunky dory. So we are in an upwards trend. So we are looking for a retest of this bottom channel here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here I'm looking for what I look for now here would be a bearish candle closed below this area here. So what do you get? Not yet. There, this one here. So we'll take it. I'll take it short here. Again, we're kind of seeing this upward trend. We are, and I would like to get out around about this area here somewhere. Okay, and my stop would be. Remember here, 70 pips. Is that 70 pips there? No, we won't be doing that one because the risk reward is rubbish. And it's good thing we didn't, because we got stopped out there. Risk reward saved us there. So here, if you see here, break and retest into the range. This bearish engulfing candle so strong, there's absolutely no point entering here because you've got to put your stop somewhere absolutely crazy, and that's not what we do here. So we'll carry on going. We've noticed now the channels are heading downwards, so we would be in a downtrend now. This could be a nice little long, it could be, and you probably want to get out around about again this level here. Risk to reward is there, so you put your stop around about there. 50 pips for 63 pips. Let's see what happens. So it's 65976. The stop goes down there, and there we go. Already we've got the money already. So another 1.5%, and we're in a downwards trend now. So we'll take mainly the shorts we're looking for, hopefully. And again, that's kind of the downwards trend. It has exhausted itself. There, here's a good trade here now. Could look like a good trade. Put your stop above there. And we're going to trail this one, I think. The reason why is because we've got a major swing high here from there down back up to there. There's a nice Fibonacci pullback there. Probably be a 618 or a 7-8% area pullback. So look what happens. There we are at the bottom already. Broken the recent lows. Now I would get out here, I would. Okay, the reason why is because we've got reversal signals here and some bullish presence, and bear in mind it's only the 4-hour chart, so we want to get out as much quick as possible. So this is a, let's say 60 pip trade there for 150 pip profit, 2.5% there. What would have happened? You notice how it started now going up already, so I think that's a good move. Although we did head lower, but still there's bullish pressure there. Now that there, I would enter most likely here. We were in an upwards trend, we broke and then come back into the range again, so I'd definitely enter here, I would. And we'll see how this one goes. At the moment, I'm not going to put a limit halfway because we just started this upwards trend. Let's see what happens. Our stop will be below here. So my stop would be below here somewhere. And this is for a, how many pips is this? 58 pip reward. Let's take a look what happens. Yeah, we've got stopped out there. Let's have a look. Take a message from the market here. Although we're not near the band, if we put our stop, our level there, we've got a triple top there pretty much. So for me personally, I would get out there. That's me personally. Now we had our stop back there, didn't we, somewhere? So let's take a look. We would have had a 57 pip stop for a 165 pip reward. So that's almost 3%. Let's see what would have happened. Let's just move this line back up here. And yes, it did go to the top, but like I said, just be clever about this. Don't want to take it's not about taking maximum profit all the time. It's just about taking a profit that makes sense. Simple as that. Now this could be a good short position. If it is, my limit would be there, and I would have a 50 pip reward, a 1-to-1 there. Let's take it short and see what happens. Nope, I've got stopped out there. I'm pretty sure that we've been stopped out, although my target was correct. So again, I'm gonna put it down as a losing trade, but you get the idea. At least the target was correct. You understand how price action works. It's quite good. So we now start entering the bearish trend now as well. Now we are. Let's see what trades come up. Come to the bottom. There's quite a lot of bearish pressure there, so I'm not really interested at the moment. We'll see a bit more than just this now. Bit of deceleration. So if I get a bullish candle now, I might be interested. There we go. Okay, I'm interested in this candle now. So I'll have my stop below there. I would. And we'll be entering at the end of this 4-hour candle. That is going to be a 37 pip trade, and I'd like to get out around about 66350. There we go. We made it already. So that was, for how many pips was that? That was, so again, 38 pips for 66350 is 69 pips. So it's almost 1.8% profit again. See where it would have gone. If you notice now how the trend's now changed again to go up, it is. Let's see what happens. We're on a bullish trend here still. No. Now, I know it's broken out and come back in again, but we're going against the trend, and this huge bullish engulfing candle does not give me much confidence. There's no patterns here. If we get a double top later on, then it will be much better, but prior to that, not interested. Now that is quite a nice signal there. The risk reward is still there. So if we move our level, stop up to this point here for this trade, at all, this would be, although it's not the best risk to reward, there's still 67 pips for 100 pips. Now you may want to, on this situation, you could wait for a pullback. So this is what the next candle produces. No, you're not going to get the pullback. So either you entered or you didn't enter. Simple as that. Bear in mind your stop is here. There we are. I will take a message from the market there personally. You tested it there, a huge long-legged doji, and we've gone back up there as well again. So again, you got your more than 1% there. You've got what 70 pips there for 190 pips. So that's still 1.8%. 2.5%, I suppose, roughly something like that. What would have happened? We're still trending higher. We're still trending higher. And it's what I mean by the market. You don't know what's going to happen with the market. Now here's a good short position. So put a stop there. There. We've got a 71 pip trade. Still 1-to-1 here. So you want to get out with these loads here. 80 pips. That's what you want to get out at. Nope. And we lost there. We have. So now we're going to look for patterns. We'll break back into the range now we do. Now that there, I would ideally want to look for a pullback here, personally, just to test the range now. And then that will create a lower higher later on, that would. So it happens. No, it just collapses down. Could have taken that there if you wanted to, but you, guys, you get the idea. Another long position here. Put your stop here, and you want to get out at this level here, which is going to be let's call it 702. So you got your stop there. How many pips is that going to be? It's the last one. This is, guys, 50 pips for 100 pips, pretty much. Yeah, 50 pips for 120 pips. This still happens. No, not yet. Looks like the market's going to be in a little bit of a range at the moment. They are heading up slightly, but this doesn't give me much confidence. So if we break below this level around here somewhere, 702. Never made it, so this is put up there. When it goes above the red line or below now 6958, I'll get out. Oh, there you go. Oh, we got out there. We have. Okay, so we got another win in there. So you get the idea, guys, how good this indicator is. If you're interested in this indicator, you have to shoot me an email over, and we'll discuss what we can do with it. Okay, guys. The email will be in the link, by the way. Thank you very much.